Hi there everyone! Today I want to share a delicious pumpkin cupcakes recipe. The super moist and tender cupcakes are easy to make. Filled with chocolate chunks and topped with cream cheese frosting. They are perfect for full mornings or holiday gatherings, offering a cozy and comforting treat. Let's dive in and get started. Start by preheating the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. In a mixing bowl, whisk together the wet ingredients. 1.5 cup of freshly baked pumpkin puree, 2 medium eggs, 1/4 cup of sunflower oil or any other oil you prefer. In another bowl, combine the dry ingredients. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of black granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, and a pinch of salt. Add the dry mixture to the wet ingredients and mix everything well combined.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks.
Then add half cup of chopped dark chocolate and mix everything again.
Down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't.
Divide the butter evenly among cupcakes cups lined with paper liners.
A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase.
Bake for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the thick comes out clean from the center.
Catch me if I fall.
Once baked, let the cupcakes cool completely. Meanwhile, let's make the frosting. In a mixing bowl, beat half cup of softened unsalted butter on high speed for about 3 to 5 minutes until the butter is soft and almost doubled in volume. Next, add 1 cup of softened cream cheese and gradually add 2/3 cup of powdered sugar, scraping down the sides of the bowl as needed. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, then beat on low speed 1 minute until smooth.
I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back.
When the frosting is ready, transfer it to a piping bag fitted with a decorative tip.
We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black.
Once the cupcakes have cooled completely, pipe a generous amount of frosting on each one.
Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late.
For the finishing touch, sprinkle with the fruit chocolate shavings or chunks.
Sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
Now the cupcakes are ready to enjoy. Moist, tender and fragrant treats. Perfect for breakfast, brunch or as a sweet snack any time of day. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Thank you for watching.